Meaning of database management system.
Database management system.
Database management system.
Database management system.
Database management system. A database management system, DBMS, is a software application that enables users to store, organize, and manage data within a database. It provides tools and functions for creating, modifying, and querying databases, as well as ensuring data security, integrity, and availability. A DBMS typically consists of a set of programs and protocols that allow different users or applications to access and manipulate data stored in the database. Overall, a DBMS is an essential tool for businesses, organizations, and individuals who need to manage large amounts of data efficiently and securely.